Hi guys and welcome back. This week I'll be showing you how to make my no-bake beauty balls. These bite-sized little snacks are great for an afternoon pick-me-up and are full of protein, dietary fiber, healthy fat. Best of all, they're guilt-free. Curb those cheeky cravings and in a couple of bites you get a ton of nutrients and vitamins. So let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to start with 2 cups of gluten-free oats. Next, I'm going to add half a cup of flax seeds. These give you a ton of fiber. After, I'm going to add a very large spoon of chia seeds. These are rich in omega-3, wonderful for your skin health and getting good fat in your body. After that, I'm going to add some hemp seeds. These give you a ton of energy because they're packed with iron and manganese. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, and this always just brings out more flavor. Pretty generous sprinkle of dark chocolate curls. Wherever you're in the world, I don't know, but just make sure they're dark chocolate chips or curls or whatever. These will just add a big dose of antioxidants and obviously taste, because who doesn't like chocolate in the afternoon? Next, I'm going to add some organic pure maple syrup. Drizzle, I don't even measure. Just drizzle, not too much, not too little, just the right amount. And I'm going to add the main ingredient, natural peanut butter. So I went with a crunchy style today. You can also do almond butter. Almond butter obviously has less saturated fat, but you are only having a bite size one of these. I mean, you don't need to have more than 2 a day of this. I've put it in 1/3 of a cup, but you can add more gradually too, depending on the texture, because I'm going to manually mix this now. Here we go. So as you can see, it gets really messy. And I'm going to add more. There's not really an exact measurement, just add so you can get a nice soft texture, see? Much more easy to, just a little bit more, and that's good. Once you've mixed this all around, looks like kind of a chunky style batter, I'm going to roll into small little balls. Okay, so I'm going to pop these little bad boys in the fridge for about 30 to 45 minutes and then take them out and put them in a jar. There we have it. Quite a few days worth of snacks for you. But these little bite-sized balls literally pack omega-3 and manganese, iron, vitamin A, B, D, E, and they give you a ton of energy. They're great for that afternoon pick-me-up or even before you go to a gym workout. Not to mention give you a bunch of beautifying properties in a few bites. The recipe will be linked below, and see you next time.